showing you how I find the LCD. Hindi ko alam kung ito yung easiest way para sa inyo. Pero para sa akin, ito yung preferred kong way because yung way na to is what we call prime factorization, na kung saan ito rin yung way ko kapag kailangan kong maghanap ng greatest common factor, which is madalas tong magkasama, specifically kapag addition, subtraction, and fraction, LCD kapag gawin mo similar fraction, and then GCF pag maglalowest term na, para lang maging madali para sa akin. So this is how I find the LCD by prime factorization. So I will be writing the prime factors of 12, 15, and 36 dahil yun yung una natin gagawin. So the prime factors of 12 is 2 times 2 times 3, while the prime factors of 15 is 3 times 5, while 36 is 2 times 3 times 2 times 3. Okay, so as you can see, pinagpapantay ko yung may common, tapos kung hindi nila pareho, ay hindi ko pinagpapantay. And to get the LCD, ginaguhitan ko yan, I will just bring down all the numbers na nasa bawat column. Tapos ipag-multiply ko, ang answer will be the LCD. So, kung GCF style naman ang kailangan, kung saan sila kompleto, yun yung GCF nila. So, let's compute for our LCD. So, 2 times 2 times 3 times 5 times 3 is equals to 180. So, that is our LCD for our first given. Okay, next is let's find the LCD of 1843. So, siguro yung iba mabilis lang mag-isip ng LCD, but I will just show kung paano maghanap ng LCD in prime factorization. So, we have 3 times 3 times 2, that's a factor of 18. And then, kapag 4 naman is 2 times 2, while the factor of 3 is 3 times 1. So, of course, we will not be writing 1 anymore. And kaya nang sabi ko kanina, kapag LCD, we'll just bring down all the numbers on each column. So, kung GCF lang hanapin niya, wala siyang GCF. So, this is 36.
Okay, so this is now addition of fractions. Ito ay addition of similars or addition and subtraction of similar fraction. And ito naman ay addition and subtraction of fractions, dissimilar fractions, and we have also a mixed numbers. Unahin muna natin yung similar. Pag similar, madali lang. You just copy the denominator and do the operation on the numerator. And kapag isi-follow pa rin natin yung rule ng integers, if it is same sign, you will add. If it is unlike sign, you will subtract. And keep the sign of the highest number. Kapag naman minus, just subtract it. Pero pag mas mataas yung nasa pangalawa, magiging negative. And then, kapag naman negative din yung nasa unahan, ay kung ginagawa ko ay pinag-add kasi they are same sign na. Okay, so just recall the integer rule para dito. Okay, so dahil 3 over 8 plus 2 over 8, ang i-add lang natin is numerator, so 3 plus 2 is 5. And then, lowest term if needed, titingnan natin kung may common factor or GCF. Ano ang GCF ng 5 and 8? And they are relatively prime. Ibig sabihin nun wala silang common factor other than 1. So, that's already the answer. Okay, next is similar fraction pa rin nga, 5. And then, dahil negative 4 at saka 2 unlike sign. So, subtract natin and keep the sign of the highest number, which is negative. So, this is negative 2/5. And then, dahil 12, ito similar fraction. So, let's just subtract the numerator. 7 minus 5 will give us 2. And then, dahil nga 2 over 12 may common factor at ang common factor nila ay 2. So, we will be dividing greatest common factor, which is 2. So, our final answer is 1 over 6. Okay, next is 12 minus 7. Ang denominator is 5. So that is, I guess it's 5. And then, yun nga. So, dahil improper fraction, let's make it a proper fraction or whole number. Let's now have the addition of or subtraction of dissimilar fraction. So the first step there is to find the LCD, and then pag nahanap na natin yung LCD, we will be dividing it by our old denominator. So ang ginagawa ko ay isang mahabang guhit, and then the LCD is, papakita ko, skip counting pwede din, 10, 20, 30, tapos ang 15 is 15, 30. So, 30 na. Pero, para, ipapakita ko lang na magbilis sa listing method. So, 5 times 2, then 15 is 5 times 3. Kaya, 5 times 2 times 3, that is, dumi. Sorry. So, 30. Okay, 30. And then, we will be dividing it. So, 30 divide 10. That's 3. Tapos, ito times natin doon. So, that is 18. Plus, 15 divide, 30 divide 15 will give us 2 times 4. That's 8. And then, dahil similar na, we will be doing 8 plus 8 is 16. So, 26 over 30. So, sa paglo-lowest term din, ginagawa ko din yung prime factorization. Kapag masyadong malaki yung number. Pero pag madaling maisip yung GCF, I will just be dividing kagaya nito. The GCF is 2 over, or their GCF is 2. So, this is 13 over 15. Next is 5 and 3/4 plus 2 and 1/3. So, pwede naman na you will add the whole number to whole number and the fraction to fraction. Especially kapag addition lang, pwede na rin yun. So, papakita ko in a way na magkahiwalay. So, 5 plus 2. So, yung whole number, i-add natin sa whole number. Plus, kasi i-combine natin yung fraction. 3/4 plus 1/3. So, of course, this is 7 plus, ito, ang LCD ng 4 and 3 is 12. And then, again, we will be dividing 12 divide 4, that's 3. Tapos ito times natin yun sa numerator. So, we have 9 plus 12 divide 3 is 4. Tapos ito times natin yun sa numerator. So, 4. And this, I will be continuing here na lang. So, this is 7 plus 9 plus 4 over 12. Okay. So, this will be 7 plus, syempre 9 plus 4 is 13 over 12. And as you can see, this is improper. So, let's make it as mixed fraction para maging proper siya. So, 1 and 1 over 12. At dahil whole lang naman to, syempre sa whole lang natin pwede i-add. So, our answer is 8, 1 over 12. So, dissimilar ulit siya. Okay. So, we will be subtracting. So, we have 6 minus 2 plus, I mean, the reason why it's plus, kasi nga, kasama niya pa rin yung fraction na yun. So, we have 3/5 minus 2/3. Kasi i-combine natin yung whole sa fraction. So, this is plus. Kasi pag minus nyo, mababawasan ulit natin yung whole. Okay? So, this is 4 plus one of my shortcut kapag alam kong walang common factor yung denominator ko, pinagta-times ko yun. So, 5 times 3 is 15. Then, para malaman ko yung nasa numerator, di ba, pinag-times ko, that will be my LCD. So, ito times ko na. Parang magko-cross multiplication ako. So, 3 times 3, that's 9. And then, minus 5 times 2, that's 10. Okay, so we have 4 plus, yung 9 minus 10 natin is negative 1 over 15. Yan nga. So, as you can see, mas mataas kasi si 2/3 kesa kay 3/5. That's why naging negative to. And, syempre, adding a like sign will give us, what you will do is subtract. So, yung 4 na yan, gawin nating fraction. Dito ko na lang isusulat. So, that is 4 over 1 plus negative 1 over 15. So, definitely our LCD is 15. And then, let's multiply 15 times 4. So, that is 60 plus negative 1. So, this will give us positive, kasi mas mataas yung 60. Positive 59 over 15. At dahil improper, we will be writing it into next fraction. So, ilang 15? Meron sa 59. Dito ko na isusulat sa taas for the final answer. And dito na lang. So, kasi 45. And then, minus natin yung 45 dito. So, that is 14 over 15. So, that is our final answer.